Hey there, and welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to small business accounting. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. That is, how to edit chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. First of all, it is important to understand why chart of account customization matters. The chart of account is foundation of your financial records, organizing your transactions into categories. By customizing account types in QuickBooks Online, you can align them with your unique business requirements, ensuring accurate financial reporting and streamlined analysis. To begin, navigate to the Accounting tab and select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of your existing accounts categorized by types such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Now, let's dive into the process of editing account types. QuickBooks Online makes it simple and efficient. Locate the account you wish to modify in the chart of accounts. Click on this arrow here, and then click on Edit. Within the editing window, you can adjust various attributes, including the account type. For example, I want to change this account from expenses to assets. And then I want to save this account under Inventory Assets. As you can see here, the name of account is same as previous. And so is its balance. Now click on Save. It's crucial to be aware of the implications when modifying account types. Changing an account type may impact your financial reports and transactions. QuickBooks Online also allows you to create sub-accounts to further customize your chart of accounts. Congratulations, you've now mastered the chart of account customization in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.